This is one of the perks of my job as a tour leader. It's a bonus. Seeing the sunrise in Atok, Benguet Province, that would be a bonus too. Hello everybody, my name is Brian Ocampo and I am a tourism professional. I've been taking people around the Philippines since 2009 and I created this channel, this video to show you the things that I've seen, experienced, learned, and to give you updates about travel and tourism here in the Philippines. So welcome, and let's just get straight to it. We started at 3 o'clock in the morning and then we headed to the municipality of Atok using zigzaggy roads. Good thing that coffee was provided before we left, but I was sitting above the wheel of the van and it almost made me sick. I was able to wing it. We arrived at around probably before 5 o'clock in the morning and it was still dark and it was cold. The temperatures were around like 10 or 12 degrees, but I was able to handle it like a pro. I was only wearing one layer and all of my companions were freezing. It was okay. So probably because of excitement or bravado, or could be both. The forecast wasn't really promising. It was actually cloudy. The proprietress of the place was apologetic about it. Her name is Lani Ganayan. Temporarily, she converted the property into a vegetable farm because business was bad because of the lockdown. The property has a very nice view of the mountains of the Cordilleras, and she was pointing to these mountains, but because it was cloudy that day, weren't able to see it that clear, but it's fine. And then it rained. There's no sunrise and it rained. Who am I to complain? After so many months, more than 6 months at home, finally I was able to breathe mountain air. So there's nothing to complain about. I was actually thankful. And it rained only for a bit, probably like 10 minutes, and we were like out again, having a look at the clouds passing by. It's just beautiful. We continued our tour with Lani and she showed us around, and you'll see some of these here. The snapdragon. Snapdragon.
Or paper flower.
Paper flower.
Cabbage roses.
This one's first. Cabbage rose. Yes, I have secure root system. Kaya pag itanim mo siya, hindi siya mahihirapan.
I'm glad that you enjoyed that. After the tour in the Northern Blossom Flower Farm, we were taken to the Bosleng Lourdes Grotto. Lourdes. The grotto has like a very nice view of the mountains again. But this time, because of the clouds, you don't see anything, but it's fine. Okay.
Para next group naman.
I came here for the view. And the drones, they weren't a problem.
Wala. Ay, wala na. Hindi ka na solo.
It is still nice. May damo? Foggy. Wow. Another highlight for me was to visit the gardens nearby. There were like succulents all over, and we have plantitos and plantitas of Manila in our group, and I hope that they didn't pick any of the flowers or plants or kidnap them. I really wouldn't know. But after visiting the Bosleng Lourdes Grotto, we then headed to Hate's place. Like, you pronounce it like 8 with the letter H, hate, or you hate. Franklin Guy Haight was a member of the U.S. Army Engineering Corps who fell in love with the place and settled here to become a farmer and start a family. Haight found love in the mountains. We took a short tour of the mossy forest with one of the owners and he showed us around. He allowed us to take photos and videos, but we're not allowed to post it on social media. So sorry, I cannot show it to you. If you see me, I'll show it to you for 20 pesos. I'm just kidding, no? So after that short tour, we headed back to Hate's place. There's an accommodation there where we stayed for 2 nights. I'll explain that in the next video. We checked in at Hate's place and we shared rooms, triple sharing rooms, and it's fine again. And over shots of tequila, I got to know my fellow passengers. I learned a lot about their points of view, about travel and tourism. My main takeaway from the discussions that we had is that COVID is here to stay and we just have to learn to live with it. Because life must continue, life must go on, travel must continue because we have to. It's an urge. I hope you enjoyed this second video. I created another one and it's about the vegetable farms of Bauco. And you see how easy it is to harvest these vegetables and you realize how precious they are. I will never ever haggle with a farmer after experiencing that, but that's on the next video. So if you like this one, please like it, If you also wish to subscribe, please subscribe. Please leave a comment as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye again.